This is a New York City poem. Very short poem. I've had my car towed 3 times in New York City. I have 3 poems about it. It's the tow truck poem trilogy. I have one of them. So, I was on, it's kind of an appropriate poem to read because I was on my way to see a Jack Kerouac reading with David Amram doing the jazz groove thing at Cornelia Street Cafe down in the West Village. And so this is about that. New York City tow truck blues. Car got towed. Wanted to slap Jack Kerouac, slap his immortal Dharma bum soul for allowing his jazz groove funk friend to have a jazz groove funk poetry Cairo Kerouac Amram night here on this night. This night when the sheriff's in town in the Wild West Village. The sheriff's in town and the sheriff's in tow of my car. I wasn't there. I had my head buried in foreign lands and burning sands of travel books and poetic hooks of a cool new bookstore on Prince Street, McNally Jackson to be specific, as my car slipped away into the dirty black grit of New York City night.